Hello friends, this is part 12 of Web Application Development series, and in this session we will learn about creating HTML tables. So when we want to present data in tabular form, we use HTML tables. The HTML element table represents the tabular data in the form of rows and columns. Then table is the element name used to create table. We'll see in a bit with an example. TR element inside the table element is used to create table rows. Then TD is used to create cell content and it is used inside TR element. Optionally, you can use TH element to create table headers, and you can use border attribute either in CSS or in HTML, but CSS is preferable mode to create table borders. So we'll see with an example each of them and understand how to create tables. So this is my empty web form. As you can see, there is nothing in the body section. As the slide said, we use table element to create the table. So we'll have one table element. Okay, right? Now this is my table element. Then it said tr is used to create table rows. Tr is used to create table rows. So I will take a tr. Okay, and inside tr there will be tds, like how many cell contents you want. So this thing will create a single row. Okay, so for example, I'll say, let us say td. I'll have Manoj, and I will have another td in the name of Kumar. Okay, Kumar. Save the changes and open it with live server. So actually this is a table. It is something that we are not able to visualize it as of now. Okay, let me add one more row so that you will be able to understand easily. I'll copy it, one more row, and this time this data element will be Ravi and this will be Mehta. Save the changes and see the web page. Now you can see there are two rows and with two cell contents, right? But still it's not looking like a table. So what we can do is we can add a border so that we can understand, we can visualize that it is a table. And for that we use the border attribute. You should do this basically inside CSS, but still since we have not started CSS yet, so we are doing everything with HTML now. We'll do it in the CSS as well. Save the changes and see the changes, right? So you can see that content is coming with a border also, right? Then what slide said, let us see. Okay, this is fine. Table element is used to create tables, then tr is used to create table row, td is used to create table content. Optionally you can use th element to create table header. So for creating a table header, first I have to create a table row is inside a table element itself. I'll create one more row and this will be header content th. I will use th for the headers. So I'll say first name. Okay, and then one more header content th is last name. Okay, save the changes and see the changes at the website, right? So we can see that headers are also being created. Correct. There are a lot of styling that we can do with the tables in practice does not look like this. It's just for our understanding, okay, that we have created a table. There are a lot more designing in CSS with margins, with borders, like how the border should be there, what should be the border color, what should be the border weight, or how the items could be linked. You can do with HTML also, but it's better that we follow CSS for designing the elements, right? And optionally, say if you see the MDN reference of this table, just click it and you'll see a lot of information on the table. Okay, so this is the about table element, and there are what is the permitted content, right? Then we are having a tr. We can also create the table with t body and t foot, but it does not make any difference, right? But you should know, like you should be able, you can create the table with the t body and t foot element also. Then like say this, like we use border, we can use cell padding, we can use cell spacing, right? So there are many properties available that you can use. There are other examples also, like how should you create the table. So this is a simple table element with two trs. Okay, two table rows basically. So there are other examples also, and with their css the table is looking like this. You can align this table to the middle of the screen also, like align properties there, right? So you can do that also. So sorry, like if you want to use the align property, use align center. Okay, if you want the table to appear in the center, save the changes and open the web page. Our table is in the center now. Okay, that's it for this session. In the next session, we'll understand the HTML forms basics. Few upcoming sessions will be on the HTML forms itself. Okay, so that's it for this session. Thank you and have a great day.